Welcome to the Ports and Shipping News from Visakhapatnam. Container shortage severely disrupted trade in second half of 2020 just as consumer demand begins catching up to pre-pandemic levels. Indian shippers, just like their European, Australian and US counterparts, began to feel heat of crisis as ocean freight rates skyrocketed to exorbitant levels. Governments around the world were forced to intervene and the situation has somewhat stabilized now. A rising economy backed by increasing export volume has pushed the Indian government to address the root cause of a container problem so that repetition of the same issue does not occur in the future. As a result, the Indian government is set to invest in the container manufacturing sector with the primary goal of boosting its exports, expected to play a big part in making India self-reliant in the long run. Container manufacturing has already received a significant governmental push. The decision was accelerated by the ongoing container shortage on routes of major shipping lines, causing a widespread hike in shipping costs. Rice, which forms the core of major Indian export, was significantly affected. Ajay Shahi, Director General of Federation of Indian Export Organization, told India narrative that we need to address the issue of containers at the earliest, especially as we focus on boosting exports on one hand and reducing imports on the other. To study the economic feasibility of the same, India's Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways had set up a committee based in Bhavnagar in Indian state of Gujarat. India's Railway Minister Piyush Goyal emphasized on the same when he said we should be aspiring for a much bigger play in the containers manufacturing. We have absolutely excellent steel making capabilities. We have an MSME sector with good skills and the frame making capabilities are also good. Another reason for the Indian government increasing push for self-reliance in the increasing frictions between India and China. China accounts for a staggering 95% of the global container manufacturing market. Given the changing geopolitical contours, India wants a strong supply of containers, so Indian exporters do not feel pressure. If at some point India achieves a self-reliance in container supply, it might also be able to export the containers. But being the factory of world surely comes with its advantage for China. Containers roll out the factories, heading straight for export stuffing. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.